Sky.
Oh, by the way, we named him Squeaky because. Oh!
Little Sky.
Squeaky. Good joke, buddy. He's just silly. Look at his little tail.
Run it up.
We gotta potty train another dog. Nero, whenever we feed him air, we need to take him outside so he goes outside. I like that rule.
Get her. Get her. Get her.
Don't worry, Poopa, you don't pop. Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back.
Get her. Now.
He sounds
This is
like
the
a
best.
balloon.
Sit down.
He is.
Squeaky. Oh, give him a kiss. Oh, he likes that kiss.
Get her. Get her.
Oh,
Get her. She's gonna get you.
yeah. Where's a good potty spot? Right there. This is where you go potty. Not in the house, and not on Dad's hand, and not on Mom's leg.
Well, anyway, if you want to get more videos, please check out my playlist below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you say.
Easy ball. Oh, here you go. Easy ball. Here you go, buddy.
Anyway, bye!